Hi there guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are doing well. It's Easy Fix FX here again. Currently in a trade on GbpUsd. I'm just adjusting my stop loss. Just putting it just below break even, a bit into profits, just to lock in those profits just in case the market gaps or does something crazy, but most likely it won't. I've just moved my TP just below this candle here. I'm pretty sure price is going to drop and tag me out at my TP. Currently running at just over 30 pips, looking to make about 45 pips. I'm using my show pips indicator, which helps me manage the trade. It really helps me. It shows me my pips that I'm making, the dollar amount that I'm making, the percentage on my account that I'm making. Just so it tells you the minutes or the seconds left on the candle. So on this 5-minute candle, you'll see there's 2 seconds left. The new candle's open. Now we've got 5 minutes left. As you can see on this candle, I'm up 8.5%, 8% on my account. Currently running just over $5,500 profits. I'm looking to make about $7,000 for the day, and I'll be happy with that scalp. So this is 2 positions, both running at both sold at 10 lots. I'm just showing you guys the power of this Easy Fix FX stochastic, my stochastic that I coded for myself. Look how easy it is to make profits with the stochastic. It's given us some good trades this week so far, and a whole bunch of trades last week that I profited from. I showed you guys that nice gold trade. As you can see, it gave us this overbought condition right over here. As you can see, it was above the 70 level, and then the market fell quite nicely. Then as you can see, it gave us an oversold condition over there. So the previous one was an overbought condition. This is the oversold condition. It gave us there about 40 pips. Then it gave us another overbought condition there. Right from there, as you can see, the market dropped. So it keeps on giving us beautiful signals, guys, but you got to combine it with a few other things. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm just about to hit TP here. I'm going to close one trade quickly. That's done. Lock in those profits, and let's see if price will drop to my TP. I'm pretty sure this market is falling hard tonight. I'm 100% sure this is going to hit TP. Let's just ride this out. 25 pips. Let's not stress. Currently at just over $73,000 equity. Come on, baby, drop. I should just close it. Let's see. There we go, guys. So I've hit my targets, as you can see. Look at my profits for the day and for the week. Well, this is from last week as well. There's 2 gold trades that I showed you. There was a buy and a sell on gold that I showed you in my previous video. And so that's amazing. I'm pretty happy with those profits, guys, but I'm going to look for another trade or 2 this week. It's not over yet. It's still Monday, so with the whole week left. As you can see, guys, over here, I got in roughly here, right at that overbought condition, just below that. And the market fell. All I do is I don't rely fully on the stochastic. There's a few other things you have to combine it with to make it ultra powerful and to guarantee yourself sniper entries. So I mean, this gave us nearly 40 pips, about 38 pips. So very happy with that, guys.